name is Akshay Kumar Takshak. I was student of mine from 2018 to 2020. I was in marketing and finance. So it's been 2018 what I'm part of this institution, and currently I'm working at MRF Limited. So that was the same company what I got from here, and I'm in that company. It was only this institute because of which I'm in that company or else. It means a lot, ma'am. It means exposure. It means when you enter this campus, you're a different person. You're a raw piece when you are not aware what it is. But this is a place where it's not only about placements. Like it's all about your overall development. What happens? It happens in this place. It's like you're completely, when you go, you're ready to face the world. Like placements happen for all the MBA colleges, but here you are made ready to just face the world. That is more important than just getting placed and not going out. Like I could tell that all persons who have come today for convocations, none of them would have been like what they were now. They were not when they came here. It's only this institution which they've shaped us in that manner, and we can confidently face the world. Other institutions, it's only about placements majorly. What I have looked into, like they are focused on it's on like return on investment on only placement basis and everything. But here it's not that way. It's not only your placements. Placements are really good that you are seeing in our records. But then here they are focused on personality development and how a student is grown, how he is nurtured, and how his overall development what happens. So mine focuses on that thing much better than any other college. It is, as I told, today what I am, it's because of mine. If today I can speak here also, when I'm speaking to you, this is also only because this institute has given me that courage, that confidence, and that thing, the platform where they taught me. This institute is very different from others, I can tell this in very frankly, because it's not only on the book knowledge what other focus or only placement, like you get placement and here they focus on every aspect of a student, like everything, so that tomorrow when you go out, mine students are very much differentiated in crowd, I can tell that. Very lucky to be in this institution. Make full use of it. It is this institution, when you show the eagerness to something to learn or something to develop, this institution will get you that. But just be eager, be learning, ask as many questions, and just show that interest. Once you show that interest to this institution will get you places.